Hey guys, welcome to TRT Community. After learning that I had low testosterone and then choosing to begin testosterone replacement therapy, I also chose to create this channel to help people like you. Make yourself at home. There are lots of videos that I work hard to make both informative and funny. And if you're like me, you're just a normal person, probably with a family, full-time job, and you simply want to be the best version of yourself that you can be. Well, I've learned something about myself in that area. Me personally, I need goals. That's why I've created something to help you, to push you, to encourage you, the 5K Lion Run. So, what is the 5K Lion Run? It's actually a virtual race. And a virtual race is something that you can do anywhere on a track or the trails. You can run, you can walk, alone or with a friend. You can even do it on your treadmill at home or at the gym. Just register online and then go out and do your 5K Lion Run. Then you'll get a Lion Run medal in the mail. I did it, as well as my wife and our children. Some of us did it faster and some of us did it slower, but we all did it. And since my children had a goal to shoot for, like a really cool medal, some of them who wouldn't have normally been interested in walking and running suddenly wanted to. They had a goal. The name for the Lion Run is based on this old proverb. The lazy man says, "There's a lion in the road, a fierce lion in the streets." A lazy person will come up with excuses to avoid doing things, even something as ridiculous as a lion in the streets. So unlike the old proverb, don't be lazy. Instead, be the lion. Be the lion in the streets. Get out there, be the lion, and get a medal.
For more information and to register, go to paypal.me/LionRun. And be sure you enter your proper mailing address on the second page in the notes section so we'll know where to send your medal.